Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. With the holidays approaching, many of you are searching for the perfect gift. In today's episode, I am so excited to share with you what I ordered for myself. I received this big box in the mail, and this is going to be a new member of the family, and I thought we'd be so excited to open it together with you. So, let's open together. Here's the business card. Can you guess what this is? Here's my baby. Oh, she's so cute. It's a yarn bowl with a slippy face. How creative is that? She's so cute. I love it. If you want to find out more or to order one, the link is in the description box. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!